Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore ID.4 firmware sync with VW updates via WeConnect, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start restoring your ID.4 firmware sync with VW updates via WeConnect, ensure your vehicle is parked in a well-lit area. Begin by checking that your vehicle is turned on and in an active state. Next, access the infotainment system on your ID.4. Navigate to the settings menu within the infotainment system. Look for the option labeled Software Updates or Firmware Updates. Select this option to check for available updates. If an update is available, the system will notify you to download and install it. Ensure that your vehicle is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network for the download process. Once connected, confirm that you want to proceed with the download. Wait for the download to complete, which may take several minutes. After the download finishes, you will be prompted to install the update. Select the Install option to begin the installation process. The vehicle may need to restart during the installation, so be patient while this occurs. Once the installation is complete, the system will notify you that the update was successful. If prompted, recheck the software updates to confirm that your ID.4 is fully updated. If all updates are in place, you are now set to enjoy the latest features and enhancements. If the sync issues persist, consider restarting the WeConnect app on your mobile device. You may also want to log out and log back into the WeConnect app as a troubleshooting step. If issues continue, consult the owner's manual or reach out to Volkswagen customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.